Hey guys, this episode we are following up on our trusted publishing lesson on Ruby gems, where you can set this up to have GitHub Actions release a new version of your library to Ruby gems. This is great, uses OpenID Connect to get short-lived tokens, and allows us to go to GitHub Actions, and we can go to our workflow for publishing the gem and run that from the UI. Now, a difference that you'll see here is we have this version field that's required in order to run it now. That is what we're going to add today, which will allow us to type in the version we want to release. It will go and bump the version in our gem, update the gem file lock and the appraisals for that, and then commit that to our Git history, and then trigger the release once that is done. So let's talk about how this works. We can type in